My dear friend, today we are solving a very important numerical on DC generator. The circuit diagram is already here. In this circuit diagram, the armature resistance is given, load current is given, series resistance is given, and shunt resistance is also given. So the 4 to 5 parameters are given. Now we have to calculate the generated voltage. In the given circuit, find the generated voltage if per brush voltage drop is 1 volt. Per brush मतलब 1 वोल्ट के लिए एक ब्रश के लिए वोल्टेज ड्रॉप 1 वोल्ट है, मतलब 2 ब्रश के लिए ये 2 वोल्ट हो जाएगा. Now we are starting the solution. First, we will find the voltage drop across series resistance. First, we will calculate the voltage drop across series resistance RSE. VRSE is equal to ISE into RSE, and ISE and IL is equal. Therefore, IL into RSE. Now the value of IL is 40 ampere into RSE 0.2 ohm. So this is equal to 8 volt. VRSE equal to 8 volt. Now next we have to find ISH. Shunt current. Shunt current is equal to the formula for short shunt DC generator. For short shunt DC generator is terminal voltage V plus IARA. V plus ISE means IL into RSE. V plus IL into RSE. Value of V is 200. IL is and IL into RSE is 8 volt. Yes, 8 volt is equal to 208 and divided by RSH. Divided by RSH. Formula of ISH equal to divided by RSH. Now V is equal to 200, IL is and into RSE. This is 8 volt divided by RSH, yani 200 is equal to 208 divided by 200. This is equal to 1.04. This is equal to 1.04 ampere. 1.04 ampere. Now after ISH, we have to find IA, armature current. Armature current, IA. Now IA is equal to, IA is equal to ISH plus IL. ISH plus IL. ISH is 1.04 and plus IL is 40. This is equal to 41.04. IA ampere. Armature current is 41.04. Shunt current is 1.04 ampere. Now we have to find IARA. 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 Voltage drop across armature. Voltage drop in the armature. IA 41.04 and RA is equal to 0.03. 41.04 into 0.03. So this is equal to 1.231. 1.231 volt. This is the voltage drop across armature. This is the voltage drop across siege resistance. Now, the generated voltage, we have to find the generated voltage. Generated voltage EG is equal to terminal voltage V plus voltage drop IARA plus voltage drop ISERSE plus the brush drop plus brush drop. Now it will be equal to V is equal to 200 IA into RA 1.231 ISERSE 8 volt, VRSE ISERSE equal to 8 volt plus 8 volt plus 2. Brush voltage drop is 2 volt plus brush drop. This is equal to 2. 210 and this is equal to 211.231 volt. This is generated voltage EG. This is generated voltage EG. Once more, the circuit is given. The given parameter is load current 40 ampere. The siege resistance 0.2 ohm, armature resistance 0.03 ohm, the terminal voltage is 200 volt and shunt resistance is 200 ohm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parameters are given in the circuit. Short shunt DC generator. This is short shunt DC generator. We have to find out the generated voltage. Now the formula, first we will find the voltage drop across siege resistance, VRSE. VRSE equal to ISC into RSE, that is IL into RSE, because ISC, IL both are same. So 40 into 0.2 equal to 8 volt. This is 8 volt, this is given voltage across siege resistance. Now we have to find out the shunt current. This is terminal voltage plus IL into RSE divided by RSS. This is the formula for short shunt DC generator. Also for compound DC generator. Shunt current V, terminal voltage plus voltage drop across the siege resistance and divided by RSH. 200 plus 8 divided by 200, 200 by 200 by 200, 1.04 ampere. Shunt current 1.04 ampere. Now find the armature current IA. IA is equal to ISH plus IL. IA is equal to ISH plus IL. ISH is 1.04, IA is 40. This is 41.04. IA armature current is 41.04. Now voltage drop across armature. Voltage drop across armature. IARA. IARA is equal to 41.04 into 0.03. 1.231 volt. Now we have calculated this voltage drop, armature voltage drop, and the brush voltage are already given. So the generated voltage is equal to V plus IARA plus ISC plus brush drop. Terminal voltage 200, IARA drop I have already calculated 1.231, 1.231. ISC voltage drop across this is resistance 8 volt and brush voltage drop is 2 volt. Per volt 1 drop means 2 brush 2 drop, 2 volt. Now all together the EG is 211.231 volt. This is the generated voltage of the South Shunt DC generator. Very important problem. If the circuit is long shunt compound generator, in long shunt compound generator this junction shift here. Long shunt generator में ये जंक्शन पॉइंट सीरीज रेसिस्टेंस के बाद होता है और शॉर्ट शंट में सीरीज रेसिस्टेंस के पहले होता है, यही अंतर है। अगर ये लॉन्ग शंट होगा तो यह रेसिस्टेंस यहाँ आ जाएगा, ये रेसिस्टेंस यहाँ आ जाएगा, या ये जंक्शन यहाँ चला जाएगा। दोनों में अंतर क्या है? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द लॉन्ग शंट एंड शॉर्ट शंट, जंक्शन पॉइंट इज आफ्टर सीरीज रेसिस्टेंस इन लॉन्ग शंट, द जंक्शन पॉइंट इज आफ्टर सीरीज रेसिस्टेंस इन लॉन्ग शंट, and junction point is before series resistance in short shunt. This is the difference. In that case, IA is equal to ISC. In the long shunt, IA and ISC are equal. In the short shunt, ISC and IL are equal. In the short shunt compound generator, series current and load current are equal. But in long shunt, these both will not be equal. Armature current and series current will be equal. This will be equal and this will be different. So this is the difference between the long shunt and short shunt DC generator. If anybody understood this problem, then problem of long shunt generator is also very easy. Based on the same, the formula will be different in that case. All formula will slightly change and circuit will also change. Okay, thank you very much. This is the very important numerical short shunt DC generator. Thank you very much.